Today we talk about how can you enable and fasten notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click on notification here. Then you come to next step here, come here to end fasten. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here end fasten notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.